quick video, we are going to troubleshoot an HomePod mini that does not update. It's a fairly simple fix. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So what you can do is restart your Wi-Fi router in your home. One thing you can do is just unplug it from the wall, leave it off for about 10 minutes, plug it back in, and that sometimes will fix the issue. And make sure your HomePod mini is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. And of course, avoid guest Wi-Fi networks. All right, next thing you can do is restart your HomePod mini by just opening up the Home app, press and hold down the HomePod mini, scroll down, and then tap Reset HomePod, and then select Restart HomePod. Or unplug it. Simply just unplug it from the wall for about 10 seconds and then plug it back in. And then see if you're able to get it to update. Next thing is update through the Home app. Go on your iPhone or your iPad, go to Home app, tap the three little dots in the top right corner, tap Home Settings, select Software Update, and then tap Update if available. And then try restarting your iPhone, all right? Just do that, or turn it off and then turn it back on. Make sure that your HomePod has enough time. So sometimes HomePods update appear to get stuck, but they're really not. They're just not getting enough time. So you want to give it an hour and a half. Make sure you give it enough time, because if you've been unplugging it and plugging it back in and not giving it enough time, that's why it's not updating. And you can move it closer to your Wi-Fi router. A lot of times that will work temporarily. So if you have it in another room, take it into the room with the Wi-Fi. So for example, I have mine with my TV, plug it up, and then see if that will update quicker. And then of course, if that doesn't work, remove and re-add the HomePod, which is the last resort. So you just go back to your iPhone, open up Home app, press and hold the HomePod mini, tap Reset HomePod, and then choose Remove Accessory, and then set it up all over again. All right, let me know if that worked, and make sure you subscribe.